Palestinians martyred in Gaza Strip. Israel threatening two-state solution, Palestinian PM. Kushner meets Netanyahu as a part of Middle East tour. Jordan two-state solution needed for peace in Mid East. Bahrain to host international meeting on security of Gulf. Iran says ready for talks with Saudi Arabia. Iranians pin hope on new British PM to defuse tension. Sanction hits Iran to slash zeros from falling currency. Yemen rebels welcome UAE visit to Iran. AU mediator slams delay of Sudan power sharing talks. Floods in Bangladesh put 7.6 million at risk, IFRC. Militancy mass Afghanistan's election campaign.